Hey everyone, we are going to work on practice sheet 4. Practice sheet 4 means, guys, we are on the 4th week of school. So let's get started. We are going to begin with not number 1. We've been doing integers, so we will not do that one. Let's look at number 2. Some of you are doing really well on this, and some of you may have just forgotten it, and that's okay. So if we want to make it improper, okay, that tells us, and this is just the way somebody taught me, Texas, TX. So that means we're going to multiply here and add this. So in order to do this, we need to know our 6's or our 7's. So 7 plus 7 is 14. 14 plus 7 is 21. 21 plus 7 is 28. 28 plus 7 is 35. 35 plus 7 is 42. 42 plus 7 is 49. I think I've already passed where I need to go. Now, if you know your multiplication tables, you don't need to do that, but a lot of us struggle, so it takes us that little extra step. So 6 times 7, so I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which is 42. 42 plus 5. And I see some of y'all kind of do it like this, which is fine. That must be the way your teacher last year taught you, and you put it over 6. So 42 plus 5 is 47 over 6, and that's my answer, okay? So I'm not going to erase this. I don't think I'm going to need it for this, but you just don't know. You might need it on one of your other problems, okay? So I'm going to keep it. And we're going to do number 3. This is definitely one that has been tripping people up because they've been trying to make it into a decimal. This is to make it into a mixed number. So to make it into a mixed number, we divide it, but we're not bringing down zeros, okay? So I'm not going to make a list of 5s because I think we can count up to 5 until we get to 37, but not past 37, excuse me. So 5 into 37, if you count it by 5s, you'll get to the number 7, which is 35, not too big. 7 times 5, 35, and then we subtract. Now normally here y'all want to put a decimal and pull it down. We don't do that, okay? We definitely don't do that. This number goes on top, and then the denominator stays the same. The only time that denominator changes would be if you can simplify. Okay, so please, as a reminder, make sure you darken your answer so I can see it. Okay, darken that answer so I can see it. The last one we're going to do is the perimeter. I know most of us remember perimeter. It just means that we're finding the distance around a figure. Okay. And to do that, we add, okay? And so we're starting with a basic problem. There's no decimals here, okay? So I do, however, have missing numbers because I need every single one of my sides or my edges, okay? So right now I can see this side is missing, okay? So I can figure that one out though, okay? I'm going to come over here. I can see from here to here is 4. So from here to here, about here, that's 4. And from here to here is 3. So this whole distance, I don't know how that just happened. From there to there, that's 3. So this whole distance is actually 7. Okay? 7 centimeters. Okay? Now, I'm going to find this side. Okay, so I'm going to use a different color. So I need this one, okay. Now what I know is from here to here is 6, okay. That's what it tells me right there. So from here to here, it's 6. I don't need the 3 because that's a vertical distance. I need this 2 right there. So from here to here is 2. Okay, so this much of this entire line is 2 from here to here. So I need to figure out this missing piece. So hopefully you can tell that's 4 centimeters because 4 plus this distance of 2 would give me 6. Okay? So 4 plus 2 is 6, or 6 take away 2 is 4. Okay? So that distance is 4. Make sure you don't use 6 because 6 would be all the way across there. So now I'm going to add my numbers, and I can see I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers. I'm going to make sure I add all those. 6, 4, 2, 3. 6, 4, 2, 3, 4, 7. Now, you don't have to do it like this, but I like to. I like to group my numbers. That's 10. This 3 and 7, that's 10. And then I have 2 plus 4, which is 6. Okay? So you don't have to do that, but I like to. 6 plus 4, 10. 3 plus 7, 10. Then I have these 2 left, which would be 6. So my sum is 26 centimeters. If you really want to impress your teacher, you're going to put P equals perimeter equals. Darken your answer so I can see it. Okay? If I can't read it, I can't give you a grade. Okay? That's it for the first video.